Jason Bison versus Oscar Collazo ends in well, I'm really sad with the ending. I thought kaya pa ni Jason Bison, pero natalo po si Jason Bison by TKO in round number 7, and Oscar Collazo still the unified champion, WBA, WBO, and Ring Magazine. Personally, nalungkot ako sa pagkatalo. Direct to the point, and I will tell you later kung ano yung nakita ko sa laban, because there's round number 1, meron na kagad controversy. Round number 4 and round number 3, medyo lumaman pa nga si Jason Bison. As a matter of fact, yung unofficial scorecard po ng laban, tabla pa before that round. Before that round, yung unofficial scorecard ni Chris Mannix was a draw. So I'm kind of confused as well, and I know the corner of Jason Bison, so we'll ask kung anong nakita nila, kung bakit na yun nila hininto, but I felt like kaya pa ni Jason Bison. So let me go ahead and this could have changed the life of Jason Bison. Nalungkot talaga ako. Jason Bison, round number 1, nakipagsabayan siya. Admittedly, I will tell you this right now, Oscar Collazo is fast. Oscar Collazo is strong. He has good footwork. He's very aggressive. But hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na one-sided yung laban eh. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na sure ball si Oscar Collazo. Kasi bumabato po at lumalaban po yung Bison. At in fact, nakakatama pa siya. No? Yung una, nakita ko na natatamaan si Jason Bison ng right hook. Ang dami pong tama din. Sabi ko walang depensa diyan. Pero nakikita ko medyo kaya naman tanggapin, pero nagagrogi na rin siya eh. Medyo sumasakit na rin siguro yung ulo. But the body language of Jason Bison, lumalaban pa, bumabalik pa. If this is the kind of fight na 3 belt once in a lifetime, first time na lumaban ni Jason Bison sa Amerika, I would have kumbaga okay lang matalo, pero I would have not given up. Para sa aking personal po na opinion. Again, I would love to find out kung bakit po in-stop at round number 7 na corner niya. Miski si Jason Bison, after the interview, he was shocked kung bakit daw in-stop. Sabi niya, natatamaan siya ng mga suntok, nasasaktan siya, pero kaya naman daw niya. And he was shocked kung bakit in-stop. But he respect the corner's decision. We respect the corner's decision, but kaya naman niya sana. And I will tell you this, sa tingin ko kaya niya. Ito honest opinion guys. I think Jason Bison would have lose by decision because kaya niya yung suntok. Boxing is a very dangerous sport. I'm sure na isa-isip ng corner na baka delikado, may nakita silang hindi natin nakita. At ayaw nilang ma-damage si Jason Bison. But at the same time, I have to weigh in the, kumbaga tinatawag nating risk-reward ratio and the opportunity. This kind of opportunity is once in a lifetime. And correct me if I'm wrong, Jason Bison has a puncher's chance in this fight. He was able to hurt Oscar Collazo, I believe, in round number 4 with a body shot. And nakaka-counter siya, nakakatama siya ng left straight, ng left hook. No? So, kung kayang tumagal. I don't know if he can win. Medyo malabo. Maybe that's the reasoning. I'm just trying to kumbaga iniisip ko ano kaya pinakamagandang rason. I mean, he could lose talaga, but he has a chance. And kung ako yun, I would have hold on to that chance. But it's just I don't know, man. I feel bad for Jason Bison. Nakita ko sa mukha niya na kaya gusto niya pa. Again, I do not know about kaya because again, let's give the benefit of the doubts. Because wala tayo dun sa venue. Nandito tayo sa TV. Nandito tayo sa habang pinapanood yun. But the look at the face, he was surprised. He was punching right back. He was punching right. I would have I would have let the referee stop it but not give up. It's because iba yung naging dating eh. No, iba yung naging dating guys. Especially nakakasakit din si Jason Bison. I don't know about knocking out Oscar Collazo because again, yun yung sinasabi ko, dapat inakaw niya si Oscar. Parang pwede eh. I mean, hindi natin, alam mo yung hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin yung chance na pwede mangyari kasi nasasaktan niya yung kahit papaano si Jason. Again, I'm not saying na mananalo si Jason. Alam natin na sobrang diado siya. But that's not the way to lose in a unified championship in first time fighting in the US. But this guy, Oscar Collazo, deserved the win. Just to tell you, no, talagang siya naman ang posibleng manalo. It's just the way it was ended was the absolute shock against Filipino na palaban. So I'm friends with the corner. I want to know what happened. If kung iisipin ko to, ano kaya yung dahilan? Maybe siguro nakita nila na wala na ganun din naman baka matalo din. So let's just be safe. That's the closest that I could see. But again, hindi ko sa akin I will go out on my shield. I would let I would let the judges stop the fight because again, you never know. You never know. Jason Bison could still win this fight. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to look at the both side. There's no protest. You cannot protest this one because yung team mo yung naghinto eh. So bakit may po-protest? Jason Bison is a good boxer. He's not that fast as Oscar Collazo, but I would have given him more chance. One more thing, naririnig ko maigi, sabi ng mga commentators, dapat daw i-fire yung corner ni Jason Bay. Galit na galit yung commentators din no? Kay dun sa mga corner. And from what the commentator said, the translator was Serbico. He is the one who stopped the fight. So I don't know, guys. Ito yung aking nararamdaman. I feel bad for Jason. Jason, I mean, again, magkakaiba po tayo ng opinion dito. The score is leaning toward Oscar Collazo, but basically the short answer is Jason could still have a chance, even a glimmer of hope. Kahit na medyo medyo nadidihado siya ng konti. That's all I can say. Now, I want you to let me know what you think of the fight. I want you to be honest with me, but be respectful. And again, be passionate about this, but we need to understand. Tayo ang sumuko dito. And but for Jason Bison, we certainly see that lumalaban pa rin siya. So, congratulations pa rin kay Jason Bison, but better congratulations kay Oscar Collazo. What's next for Oscar Collazo? Oscar Collazo is looking to go up in weight. Mukhang wala siyang planong kalabanin yung dalawang Pilipino na si Pedro Taduran, who's fighting on October 26, and Melvin Jerusalem, who's fighting on October 29. I do not know. I'm gonna start reading the comment right now. Thank you guys, and let me know on the comment section.